Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to remove rear door handle on Lexus CT200. First we need to remove the door panel. Okay, door panel is removed. Then we need to use little blade or other kind of knife, and let's gently cutting the glue. All right, looks this, and then disconnect the central lock. Okay, so here is a yellow clip, I mean is a yellow lock. This lock the handle, just simple, need open, looks like this. And then we need remove this free Torx, what is T30. Before you remove the lock, always put back for the original position, because this one is a child lock and after you cannot open or something. Okay, and just hold and press in and release this lock, just this. So now we need a T30 long for, I show you. So there is another T30 screw. What is hold this little cap. Okay, this one just need release. Don't worry, the screw is untakeable, so no possible to drop down. And then nicely just hold tight, hold tight, a little bit moving and come off. So don't forget, need first unlock, and now easy to just pull this way and easy to come off. It's already come off. Take off this rubber and take off this rubber. And done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.